Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get tabs in the Finder of any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Finder. Now you can see the Finder. So by default we don't have any tabs showing up right now, as you can see here. So in order to get tabs, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Command and T. So you can see here two different tabs are showing up. So if you want to create more tabs, you can just click on this plus. You want to create multiple tabs, and if you want to close it, you can just click on this cross button to close the respective tabs. So this is the first way, or you can do a different way just by using a mouse also. If you just right mouse click on the respective folder, and you can see here open a new tab. So it will show up the tab bar again, as you can see, or you can just click on this three dot icons and you can see here open in new tab. Then once again the tab bar will show up, or you can just press and hold the command key on your computer keyboard and just double click on the respective folder. Then a new tab bar will get open. So these are the various ways to get tabs in the Finder of any Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.